Hello everyone, welcome all of you. As you know that we are studying about complex number, and in this video the next topic is algebra of a complex number. So very interesting topic here, and watch the complete video and see here. Algebra of a complex number. First point is sum of two complex numbers. Sum of two complex number. Sum of two complex numbers. Let z is equal to z1 is equal to z1 means first complex number, z2 means second complex number, z3 means third complex number, and so on. z1 is equal to a1 plus iota b1 and z2 is equal to a2 plus iota b2, right? Then z1 plus z2 is equal to what? We add both complex numbers, right? a1 plus iota b1, a2 plus iota b2. After writing this, see here, real part added with real part and imaginary part is added with imaginary part. But we clear this concept by an example. Example here. z1 is equal to 4 plus 5 iota, z2 is equal to 7 plus 3 iota. Therefore z1 plus z2 is equal to, we write 4 plus 5 iota plus 7 plus 3 iota, right? Now add real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part, right? 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, or this is your answer. Very simple concept here. Next example also here. See here, 2 plus 7 iota plus 5 minus 4 iota. Here 5 minus 4 iota, don't worry, it means 2 is added with 5, 2 is added with 5, 2 plus 5, right? Clear? And plus 7 minus 4 iota. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 7 minus 4 is, 7 iota is here. 7 iota minus 4 iota, 3 iota. It is your answer. Of two complex. Next point is difference. Difference of two complex numbers. So here means complex numbers. See here, let two complex number z1 is equal to a1 plus iota b1 and z2 is equal to a2 plus iota b2, right? Iota b2. Therefore z1 minus z2, it denotes the difference between two complex number. What is the meaning of z1 minus z2? z1 minus z2 denotes the difference between two complex number. z2 minus z1 is also say the difference between two complex numbers z1 and z2. But in this case we write value of z1 iota b1 and plus iota a2 plus iota B2 plus minus, because difference here. And we clear the concept with example. So see here, example, let Z1 is equal to 4 plus 9 iota and Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. Therefore Z1 minus Z2 is equal to what? Z1 is equal to 4 plus 9 iota minus Z2 is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. Now 4 plus 9 iota minus 3 minus 2 iota. See here, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. This is your final answer. Sum and difference is very simple, but one word here. Now see the product of two complex numbers, multiplication of two complex numbers. But you can so write here product of two complex numbers. To CM. See here, let Z1 is equal to A1 plus iota B1, Z2 is equal to A2 plus iota B2, right? See here, so Z1 into Z2 is what? Write Z1 plus iota B1 into A2 plus iota B2. Clear? So now take an example and clear this concept. Example here, 2 plus 3 iota into 3 plus 5 iota. What? How can solve this? Evaluate this. See here, 2 into 3 plus 5 iota plus 3 iota here, 3 iota into 3 plus 5 iota. Simple. We multiply this term by 2. After this plus, we multiply this term again with 3 iota, sign of plus here. Multiply 2 into 3 6, 2 into 5 10 iota plus 3 into 3 9 iota, 3 into 5 15 iota square. Clear? See here, 6 plus 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 is 19 iota. See here, iota square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into 15 become minus 15. Right, 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9 plus 19 iota. It become your final answer. It becoming final answer, right? Now the next topic is division of two complex number. Division of two complex number. In next video I will tell you about the multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? What is additive inverse? Two terms are very important for you, but I discuss about this term in next video. Next topic is division of two complex number. Division. Very simple. Division of 2 CL. let two complex number z1 is equal to a1 plus iota b1 and z2 is equal to a2 plus iota b2, right? Then z1 upon z2, this term say the division of two complex number z1 and z2 is equal to a1 plus iota b1 upon a2 plus iota b2, right? Next, we clear this concept with an example. Example here, 1 plus 2 iota upon 2 plus 3 iota. What is the value of this complex number? See here, 1 plus 2 iota by 2 plus 3 iota. First target is removing iota from denominator, numerator and denominator. Removing iota from denominator. For this we rationalize this complex number 2 minus 3 iota. In the process of rationalization, we change the sign, plus become minus, minus become plus, right? 2 minus 3 iota. Now simple thought, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into minus 3 iota, 2 into 2 plus 4 iota, 2 into 3 minus 6 iota square upon a plus b into a minus b. Formula become a square of a square of 2 become 4 minus a square of 3 iota become 9 iota square. That means you get 2 iota square means minus 1. The minus 1 into 6 plus 6 plus 2 8 plus 4 minus 3 become iota 1 iota, and iota square is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 into 9 become plus 9, plus 9 plus 4. Iota square equal to what? Minus 1. When we put the value of iota square here, minus 9 become plus 9. The plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. The 13 is here, and we write finally 8 by 13 plus 1 by 13 iota. It is your final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video in your friend circles and subscribe the channel, please.